Hello everybody, myself is Firdaus Amanullah Jamadar from Rajiv Gandhi English Medium Primary and High School. Now, which run under Paschim Maharashtra Education Trust. Now today, I will teach Standard 6 Maths, Operation on a Fraction. Okay students, let's go. First one, we see some pictures here. See here, how many square in this picture? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many? 4. First we have how to write fractions. Okay. See here, the denominator write how many fraction of the square? 1, 2, 3, 4. Firstly here how write 4. And shaded part how much? 1, 2. Here write 2. What is the fraction? 2 by 4. Okay student, see the next picture. How many is rectangle in this picture? 1, 2 and 3. Then firstly here have write 3 denominator. And shaded part how much? 1, 2. Therefore we write here 2. What is the fraction? 2 by 3. In the next one picture, count this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, firstly you have write denominator 12 and shaded part is 4. What is the fraction? 4 by 12. The next one picture is how much? Square in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here write the denominator 6. Okay. Shaded part is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write the numerator 4. Okay. The next one picture in this, how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, write the denominator is 12 and shaded part how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here 5. The fraction is what? 5 by 12. The numerator is 5 and the denominator is 12. Now, we shall study the operation on a fraction. In this lesson, there are two types of a fraction. First one is the proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? The numerator. Firstly, you have see. Observe this fraction. 9 by 17, 4 by 12, 3 by 10. What do you observe in this? The numerator is less than denominator. That fraction is called as a proper fraction. Okay student, see here the definition of a proper fraction. What? The numerator is smaller than the denominator. Is called as a proper fraction. All of you understood? The first one is the types of a fraction. Okay, the next one type is what? See here the some fraction. 9 by 7, 3 by 2, 10 by 5. What do you observe in this? You have observed the numerator is greater than the denominator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. This fraction is called as an improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, understood? The third one type is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Firstly, here have the number 3. Then after 2 by 5. 3, 2 by 5, 4, 3 by 4, 1, 5 by 7. These fractions are called as a mixed fraction. Okay student, all of you know these three definitions. First one is the proper fraction. That is the numerator is smaller than the denominator. And the next one improper fraction in which the numerator is the greater than the denominator is called as an improper fraction. And the third one type is a mixed fraction. 3, 2 by 5, 4, 3 by 4. These are the three types in this operation on a fraction. Now we solve the exercise number 9. Okay, in this first one, what is the question? See here, convert into improper fraction. Improper fraction, you have studied what improper fraction? See here, improper fraction, the denominator is greater than numerator. Firstly, you have example. This is the mixed. This is the mixed fraction. Convert into the improper fraction. Okay. First we have what the step first one. 5 multiply with the 7. 5 multiply with the 5 multiply with the 7. Then plus 2. Then after write here this factor 5. Okay. See here 5 sevens are how much? 35 plus 2. What is the numerator? 37. And denominator is what? 5. Okay. See here once more. First one question. Convert into the improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. First, what you have do in this example, you have multiplied the denominator. 5 multiply with the 7. 5 multiply with the 7 plus 2 here write the denominator, write factor 5. 5 sevens are 35 plus 2 how much? 37. 37 upon 5. All of you understood this first one example. The next one, see here student, 6 multiply 5 plus 1 and the denominator is what? 6. Here write 6. Okay. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. The numerator is 31 and the denominator here 6. Okay, understood? The next one example, 4 multiply with the 4 and plus 3. Denominator what? 4. Right here 4. Okay student, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 how much? 16, 17, 18, 19. Numerator is 19 by 4. Okay, next one example 4 3 by 4. Right, 4 4s are 4 multiply with 4 plus 3. Denominator is 3. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3. Divide by the 3. 16 plus 3 how much? 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is what? 19 upon 3. All of you understood the first one question. Convert into the improper fraction. See here the answer is what? 37 upon 5. 31 upon 6. 19 upon 4. 19 upon 3. You have observed in this example the numerator is greater than the denominator. That all of you understood this example. Okay, the next one in this exercise, question number 2, convert into the mixed number. The third type is what? Mixed number. Okay students, what you have to do in this first example, see here, that 7 is divided by the 30. First you have divided this number 30 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 40, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. Here write 28. Then minus. What? Remainder is what? 2. Here write 2. See here how to write the mixed number. First you have to start from this circle. Okay. Then 4. Here write 4. Then remainder is what? 2. And dividend is what? 7. This is this 4, 2 by 7. Okay. What you have to do? Firstly, you have divide the 30 by 7. 30. 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 2. How much remaining? 2. And here write this 4, 2 and then after 7. Okay. This is the mixed numbers. Okay. The next one is what? How to divide this? 7 and 7 is divided by the 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Therefore here write 1. Here write 4 ones are 4 minus. How much remaining? 4, 5, 6, 7. Remainder is what? 3. Here write 1, 3 and then after 4. Write here 1, 3 by 4. Okay. The next one example is 15 divided by the 12. Write here the 15 divided by the 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Therefore here write 12 ones are 12. Right here subtract this 15 minus 12. How much remaining? 12, 13, 14 and 15. 3 is a remaining. The first one here write mixed number as it is. 1 then after 3 and divided is what? 12 here. This is this fractions, mixed fractions. Okay, understood? What you have to do in this example, firstly have divide the 30 number with a 7. What is the remainder and quotient and dividend? Firstly have write the quotient 4 and then after remainder 2 and then after dividend is 7. Okay. All this example you have understood. The next one example is what? See here. Write the following example using the fraction. Firstly, I have read this question. To make. Write the following example using a fraction. ये जो for this example you have read and write down the fraction. To make 5 shirts. To make a 5 shirts of a same size. To make a 5 shirts of a same size, 11 meters of a cloth is needed. How much of cloth is needed for a one shirt? One shirt. How much required? First, how much cloth is there? See here. I rub this. Okay, student. How much? The cloth is 11 meters. Write here 11 in denominator. And how much shirt you have made? 5. Write in a numerator. This is the answer of this example. What is the fraction? 5 by 11. Numerator is what? 5. Denominator is what? 11. Okay. The next one example, student, see. See here, student. The next one question. The 9 kg rice is shared among 5 people. How many kilogram of rice does each person? Total kg of rice what? Total kg of rice 9. Here write denominator 9 and distribute 5 people. What is the fraction? 5 by 9. Answer numerator is 5, denominator is 9. Understood this? All this question practice take number 9. Okay student, what you have? You have solved this question in your CW. Okay. Understood? Anybody curious? Oh, no? Okay, thank you.